Now, we're going to go through video 2 of this 3-part series. We just did done for you. Now we're going to look at IntelliVA. We talk about the setup for IntelliVA so that it'll work for you. And then once you have it, you can use IntelliVA minutes, right? That's what this should say, minutes. It looks like that we have to update the team to put minutes here, because now you get to utilize those minutes after it's set up in engagement flow and in other areas of tools that we offer in this section over here. You'll learn more about where the AI works in any of these areas, okay? From AI images that are made, help it while you're building websites in your website builder or photo builder. You can use the IntelliVA minutes, but we're not talking about that. We're talking about IntelliVA minutes here. Now, here's my recommendation. Based on your experience and how you interact with customers, if you're a person that gets 4 or 5 leads a month, well, you will do well with 40 credits, because those leads are going to be called. You have plenty of minutes left, or plenty of time left over. I showed you in our system, the average call 15, 23 seconds. Some of them go right to voicemail, where the customer doesn't answer and it goes to voicemail, and it doesn't cost anything. Where if you look at how many minutes it's almost 12 seconds, 34 seconds, 34 seconds, 8 seconds, 22 seconds. So it'd take a long time for you to use them all up. So my recommendation is, based on your experience, if you're a big timer and you are literally, you've already made it with every 20 or 30 days, you're making more than $10,000, you need to make sure you have a decent amount of credits, so that this will help you with the conversion. When someone's getting touched and called in the middle of their transacting, followed up afterwards, and they can call in, it helps a lot. But you don't have to start there. If you started, you have the $25 package, which gives you 250 credits. You literally can just use 40, so you can have that set up if you have our system, our AI profit system. So you can have some additional minutes to go with it after your first month. So that's just an example. You don't have to get everything here. You don't have to be intimidated by that. You literally can get just 80 credits, will give you 10 minutes. 200 credits will give you 25 minutes. You see how it's jumping? So you have an opportunity to do it based on the amount of business you're doing. That's what the IntelliVA minutes are for. And those minutes cover not just phone calling, texting. It also is something that happens in these workflows. What do you mean by workflows? When we build stuff behind the scenes for you, it includes things that cost money. Well, certainly SMS messaging does. But also, there are certain things we even include different prompts inside ChatGPT that will allow us to add, depending on what we're doing for you. It may require some of seconds from your minutes in order to do those actions inside of a workflow like this. That's how you use these minutes. It's not very difficult. You can just add minutes as needed. Don't know if you need them all? Don't get them all. Just get a few. If you do need them all, get as many as you need. You may just need 2,000, not 8. You make those choices. That's how that works for you. So we'll see you in the next video, the tools, and we'll have some different correlations where you can see the connections between these things.